like 3
Mom,
modes.
put in there. Put in there. Put in there. So, put in there.
Those you just turn them on one and they do their own thing.
So what do you want? Just take it off?
No,
Yeah, and just put the candles
not
on
good
it.
on this one.
Like the candles.
Hey, don't break it.
But
Don't
don't put the
break it.
candles
Don't
too
break it.
close. Just plastic.
What is that?
Fancy, huh? Yeah, they just turn it on and off, that's all. They don't have like 3 modes like the happy birthday. You could put them on the cake if you want, but
We're on the cake,
be
son.
careful when you wash them, because if you get the battery wet, it's not going to be too good.
Put it in there.
Yeah, so
Oh
you
my
don't,
god, I'm not 43.
so you don't have to put it on the cake if you don't want.
34. That is 34.
That way you don't have to wash them and get them wet, babe. Because if you get them wet, you know what's going to happen. They'll go bad.
Gotta go back.
But they're nice. I like them. They
You
weren't
like
that
it?
expensive, babe. I think they're like $3 a piece.
Bring this
Take
pie. and then
$2 for the
two.
candle.
2 with this. 2 with that.
This is her like favorite,
Two
most favorite position,
One,
babe. Like this.
2 piece.
This is the way.
Yay! We
This is-
have it. We have it.
This is the way she likes to hang out.
No
babe.
more pie hat.
Yes, I know it.
You too.
You heard a pie hat.
Does she like this position on you?
Mom, don't put it closer. So that's so hot. It got burned and it had no battery.
Okay, watch the flashing lights. We'll sing happy birthday. Hmm?
Mine is 34.
We can sit down and watch, okay? All right. Here we go.
Real. Hi.
34.
See the pretty lights? Huh? You watching?
Fancy light.
Is you watching them?
Let's see.
You see the pretty lights? All right, I'll pick you up now. So you can sit like daddy like this, okay? How's that? Hmm? How's that?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy. Somebody talked. Mom, 2 ago blow. Daddy, 2 ago blow.
Okay, let's be quiet. Let's let mommy do her thing.
It's fancy, babe.
It's gonna be backwards. There. It says if you gotta turn it the other way. There. Yeah.
Mom, that's
Like
backwards.
that.
Do it in the first way.
Fancy, huh?
First time I see like that.
First time I've seen it too, babe. Must be
34.
something new. I never seen them out. Probably would have bought one last year, but those are cool. I seen that. I was like, ah. Must have just came out.
Fancy.
Must have just came out with them, babe. Cool, huh?
Yes, it is cool. Happy birthday, 34. Ah.
Oh.
Are you ready, Dion?
Okay. Sing happy birthday.
Oh, come here, Dion. I'm gonna sing happy birthday.
I you
Oh, turn it off. Turn it off.
That's so loud for that white cat.
Sit down. Sit down. We're gonna sing happy. Yeah. Sit
Dun 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 dun.
He's happy too, huh?
Dun dun.
Mommy's birthday, Dion. Let's sing.
Hey! Look at the one loud fire! Fire!
Keep your paper away from that fire.
You like that?
Are you ready, Dion, to sing? Sophia, oh,
Watch your hand, babe, where the flame is.
Sophia's eyes are.
Let's go. Is she watching?
Yeah, she is. Okay, where is Dion?
Yeah, this is here.
Just hand it, just like that.
This like a tile. This like a
Okay.
All right, you ready?
tile.
Hurry up before the candles melt.
Okay, Dion, ready, Dion?
Ready?
Hurry.
Turn around, Michael. Let's sing.
Sing.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Mommy Pilar. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Pilar. Happy birthday to you. Yay! Sing? Did you guys sing?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, wait, we're gonna go together. 1, 2, 3. You. I'm done with mine.
Hurry up before the note, Michael. Yay!
Yay!
Alright.
Okay, see you later. Bye-bye.
Yay!
Oh, hi.
34.
See the pretty lights? You watching?
Fancy light.
If you're watching them,
Let's see.
you see the pretty lights? Nicole, leave the candles out since they're out. Leave them out. Heard that, right? Who's after Mommy?
Got this trucks and then
34.
34 taking her.
Michael.
She must get a lot of gas when she's
Mom, Michael and
Babe, don't let them.
Michael and Mommy gotta eat.
Or they'll be broke.
Mom, Michael
in like
and
10
Mommy
seconds.
gotta eat some cheesecake.
China babes, fragile.
Yeah, it is. It's not like made in Japan or Toyota.
Okay, I'm gonna open the letter from Danny. Michael, I'm gonna open a letter.
Water.
Yep, a letter. Ooh, for my wonderful wife. Michael, for a wonderful wife, for my wonderful, you're a blessing. Already tanak. To me in too many ways to count. Ah! I got the money. 200. We have shared together the blessings of God. Philippians 1 verse 1.
Michael, sit in the chair right.
Philippians 1 verse 1. I forgot to read it. Philippians verse 1 7.
Remember that one?
Philippians, no. What is it? 1 to 7.
Did you read it?
We have shared together the blessings of God. Philippians 1 verse 1. Chapter 1 verse 7 or verse 7 chapter 1.
Chapter 1, verse 7.
Chapter 1 verse 7.
Yep.
All right. I'm so grateful for you, for our love, our family, and all the blessings God has given me because of sharing life with His gift of you. Happy birthday with all my heart. From Ted, Dion, Michael, and Baby Sophia. Baby Sophia. Thank you, Daddy.
You're welcome.
I got the money. Very nice.
Ah, thanks.
Flower.
Thanks, babe.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Okay.
Okay, you're gonna sit down. Oh my God.
Perfect.
No, there's more.
Cost more than 200. You got other ones you're looking at?
276.
Oh, so you're gonna have to save up, huh?
So yeah, 76. I'm gonna add 76. I have 76.
crust on it. You notice that? I like a nice thick crust.
Big. Yeah, look at her.
She's long.
Yeah, she's not even 4 months. Soon.
Soon 2 days. 12, 13, 14. You will be 4 months 14. 2 days more, Sophia Kaylee.
Yeah.
Bubbles.
Her feet are getting bigger too. She's growing. She's getting long. Yep, she's growing, aren't you? You're growing so big.
Yep.
Yeah. Look at the chubby cheek though, huh? You're getting so big, huh? Baby's getting so big.
Yep.
Hi kids, today I'm going to sing happy birthday to Auntie Pilar. Maligayang bati, maligayang bati, maligayang bati. Happy birthday, Auntie Pilar.
Okay. Say it again.
Walang man. Bye po.
Bye po.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Day Pilar. Have a good health always. Stay what you are. Mo pagkabuutan, matinabangon. Amping kanunay diha sa kuyog sa imong pamilya. Basta salamat. I miss you. Mwah, 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 mwah.